ECD Auto Design, a world-renowned restoration company specializing in Land Rover and Jaguar, has announced a significant expansion into the American muscle car market. The company will now offer bespoke restoration services for classic Ford Mustangs, specifically the 1967 to 1968 GT series. This exciting new venture marks a turning point for ECD, venturing into American automotive history while staying true to their core values of unparalleled customization and luxury. ECD has built a stellar reputation for meticulous craftsmanship and unwavering dedication to excellence. This commitment translates seamlessly into their classic Mustang restorations. Each car will be a one-of-a-kind masterpiece, meticulously restored and customized to the exact specifications of the owner. Clients can expect an unparalleled experience throughout the entire process, from the initial design consultation to post-delivery care. Just like their Land Rover and Jaguar restorations, ECD's classic Mustang restorations offer an incredible degree of personalization. With over 2 million possible configurations, clients can create a car that reflects their unique style and preferences. From the powerful Roush 347 SR engine to the luxurious ECD Hides leather interior, every detail can be tailored to the client's vision. The base model for ECD's classic Mustang restorations is the 1967 to 1968 GT series, available in both fastback and convertible body styles. Power comes from a potent Roush 347 SR engine, paired with a modern coilover suspension for exceptional handling. Willwood brakes ensure superior stopping power, while a MagnaFlow Street Series exhaust system adds a throaty growl. The exterior boasts a high-gloss paint finish, complemented by a classic Mustang hood, American Racing Torque Thrust D wheels, and chrome bumpers. Modern LED lighting adds a touch of contemporary flair. The interior is a luxurious haven, featuring ECD's signature Hides leather with custom stitching. Procar Series front seats provide exceptional comfort, while a classic bench seat graces the rear. A hump-hugger storage center console adds both style and functionality. For a touch of modern convenience, ECD includes a 12V USB port, heated seats, power front windows, and door locks. The entertainment system features a retro-styled chrome radio with Bluetooth connectivity and a Pioneer 4-speaker system with a subwoofer. Clients can further personalize the interior with their choice of classic instruments, door panel trim, and headliner material. Standard Ford interior touch points and a Grant Classic Nostalgia Mustang steering wheel complete the look. ECD Auto Design's expansion into classic Ford Mustangs signifies a new era for enthusiasts seeking a unique blend of restored heritage and modern luxury. With their unwavering dedication to excellence and passion for American automotive history, ECD is setting a new standard for the classic car restoration experience.